Jaden,
yeah.
your homework requires us to discuss let me read. To discuss the weather and the climate in the tropics and how different it is from areas outside the tropics. So which are the areas inside the tropics?
The equator. And
the area between which tropics?
The equator is between each two of the tropics.
Yeah, and which are the two tropics?
The Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of could you give me a clue? Which one does it start with? Cancer.
Yeah, Cancer and Capricorn.
Yeah.
Try to remember the Tropic of Capricorn, because you cannot do a presentation only by remembering the Tropic of Cancer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So those areas have warm or cold climate?
Yeah.
Which one?
Oh.
Do they have hot climate or cold?
The Tropic of Cancer has warm climate.
The area which is in the tropics, the area between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, it means that it doesn't have snow in the winter. The tropical climate means warm climate. Can be warm or humid or moist, but never really cold. Not very cold. You are not even concentrating, and I'm not going to repeat this. Okay. So the tropical climate is warm or is it cold?
It is cold.
No, you were not listening.
I know.
See, Jaden, you're not even paying attention.
I'm trying to.
Wait. The tropical climates, are they warm or cold?
The tropical climates are warm.
Yes. And it also means that the winter has snow or doesn't have snow.
The winter doesn't have snow in Nairobi.
Yeah, or in the tropical climate.
Yeah.
Jaden, concentrate. Yeah, you can't just be looking at your mom and forgetting what we are reading about.
I'm concentrating.
Okay. So it means that the winter doesn't have snow in the tropics, but in the areas which are outside the tropics, because your homework also said we should also say how different it is from the areas outside the tropics. So the area outside the tropics, the winter has snow and it's very cold.
Yeah.
And you find animals like what?
Polar bears, seals, penguins, and baby penguins.
Yeah, those are the areas which are not in the tropics because they are in the cold areas like the Antarctica.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think so what the next thing you're supposed to do is to draw something or make something to show that you know about the tropics. What do you want to make?
Camel.
You want to draw a camel?
Yes.
Because a camel is found where?
In the desert, which is tropics.
Yeah. And that's the only thing you want to draw?
No. Also, I'd like to draw dead people's skeletons without the bottom teeth, wearing a Viking hat, lying down on the sand.
Oi. Dead people, skeletons.
Yeah, wearing Viking hats.
Well, that might scare people. That might be scary. Can you what can you think of something else? You know what you can do?
Mirage?
You can no, look, you can do like this, yeah? You can take your piece of paper and on the one side you draw the camel, on the other side you draw something that is found outside the tropic.
No.
Outside the tropics, like
Mommy.
you don't know how to draw a penguin?
Penguins? No.
Or you can just like draw Oh, I know what we can do. We can take cotton wool and glue and stick it out to show winter, yeah? So that when you are explaining your project, you can show them the camel is found in the tropics and winter is found outside the tropics.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. You're a genius, Mom.
Oh, I'm a genius.
Yeah, and you can draw a line in between here to separate those two.
So when you're explaining to your class, they can see this is the side of the tropics and this is outside the tropics.
Yeah.
We got it.
You're a little genius.
Thank you.
Now I can read halfway and then I'm finished, and then I can go upstairs after reading my picture book and watch TV.
Hey, you have to finish all the homework. You have to draw the camel. You have to.
Yeah.
When you want to make the snow with the glue, you call me because I don't want you messing up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we start with the winter one now?
Okay. That was great. Yeah. Say bye to the friends on the video.
Bye. See you in the morning.
Oh, in the morning. See you next time. We are doing homework with Mom.
See you next time when we're doing homework with my mommy.
Okay.
Well, Misha, bye.
Bye.
See you later.